Hey guys, Cyber Exploit here, back again with another video. In this video guys, we're gonna be discussing on if-else statements. In the previous video, we've seen how we can implement if statements, whereby we say an if statement executes only if a particular condition is said to be true. So if the condition is true, then it displays the output. It display what we want it to display. Okay, so now in this video we're going to be looking at if else statement. That is to say, an if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which the boolean expression or condition is false. Okay, so let's look at the syntax on how the if else statement look like. So before then, we would like to see what it does. Python if else statements. It is likely that we will want the program to do something even when an if statement evaluates to false. Okay, in our great example of previous tutorial, we want to output whether the grade is passing or failing. Okay, so in this video we're going to test if that particular grade is set to be a passing grade or a failing grade. So this is the Python if else syntax, where we say if condition then statement, else if that particular condition is false, do the else statement. Okay, that's it should do the otherwise. Okay, so that is how the syntax look like. We say if condition then statement, which simply means if the condition is said to be true, then the else statement is not going to read, okay, into the Python memory. So therefore the if statement executes if the particular condition is said to be true. Otherwise, if that condition is said to be false, then it goes straight to the else statement. Okay, so it prints what the else statement does. Okay, so that is the condition. So let's look at the example. So before then, I would like to point out some things down. Okay, since the grade available on this program has the value of 70, that's in our previous video we used 70 as our grade. Okay, and the if statement evaluates as true. So in this particular if else statement, we're going to test the if statement to be what? False. Okay, so let's dive into the video right now. Let's dive into the Python console right now. Okay, which is the QPython. Okay, so we're going to declare our variable called grade, which we assign the value to be 70. Okay, so let's test the first condition, whereby we say if grade, okay, is greater than equal to 70 column, it should print, okay, passing grade. Okay, sorry for that. Passing grade, like this. Okay, so let me save it and run. There we go, it says passing grade. So this is our previous video. I just put it down in order to recall back to the if statement. Okay, so what if the grade is above 70 or is below 70? How are we going to impute the statement? That is where the else statement comes in. Okay, so if we are to change our value here, as we have 70, what if the grade is said to be 75, for example? Okay, if the grade is said to be greater than or equal to 75, print passing grade. So else, that's where else statement comes in. Okay, else, sorry for that, it should print failing grade. Print, sorry for the typing errors. Okay, failing grade. Okay, so let's save it and test our else statement. Okay, we'll say if the grade is greater than or equal to 75, it should print passing grade. Else it should print the other statement, which is the print failing grade. Okay, so let me save it and run the code. Awesome, that's incredible. Okay, so it prints failing grade. So what it does is that the if statement is set to be false. Okay, the grade is set to be greater than 75. We say if the grade is set to be greater than 75, it should print passing grade. whereas our grade is said to be 70, which is not greater than 75, or it's equal to 75. So therefore it's below 75, which is going to print our next statement, which is the else statement. Okay, so if we then rewrite the program to give the grade a value of 75 or higher, okay, we'll instead receive the output passing grade. So for example, what if we were to change 70 as our grade to be 75? Okay, let me save that. We say if the grade is greater than or equal to 75, it should print the passing grade, else it should print failing grade. Okay, so what this is going to do is that to check what is the value of our grade, we have 75 as our grade, so and grade is equal to 75. Okay, it is not greater, but it is equal to 75, so therefore the statement there, the condition will be what? True. Okay, so therefore it will print passing grade. So let me save it and run it to test for that particular condition. There we go. So it prints passing grade. Sorry for that misinterpretation. Okay, it prints passing grade. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop it in the comment section below, or you can hit me on my social networks, link in the description down below. Peace.